So today we have this 4-in-1 excavation tool set. Inside there are ocean fossils, insect fossils, shark fossils and dinosaur fossils. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, let's open it up. Let's get my knife, cut the tape, open it up. I'm so excited to get it. I got it! Ooh, that looks cool. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, I got this. Whoa. Okay, so let's see what we got inside the box. We got like this big block looking thing. We got this megalodon tooth. We got this beetle or bug. And we got this dinosaur egg. Let's see the tools we got. We got like a little magnifying glass. We got a brush. We got like this thing to dig. And we got this hammer. Now let's move this box aside and spread my paper because we do not want the floor to get dirty. Spread my little paper. Woohoo! We spreaded it, guys. Okay. So now let's get this. Let's dig it up. First, let's just remove this tape from it. Ooh, this looks so cool. Ooh, okay. Open the rest of them. Ooh. I can edit. Don't worry, guys. I'm doing the video. Oops. That's okay. That's okay. We can fix that. Don't worry. That's okay. If my hand is dirty too. That's nothing. We can clean up that later. But this not. Okay, last one's there. Let's open this guy up. That boy. Ooh, cool. This is so cool. Okay, now let's get our water. Carefully put it right here. Hope I don't spill it. Now, let's put all of it inside it. Bring it with my nice jacket. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now, let's wipe my hands. I'm seeing it missing! Cool! Let's take out the insect fossil first to see what's inside. Okay, let's dig it! My chisel right here. Take my hammer to get it. Ooh, got it there. Got a big piece. Get it! Okay, let's get the chisel back. That's okay. Okay, let's use my hammer. Come on, get it! Get it! Get it! Okay, get it in there. Oh, I wonder what's in there. Oh, this one's looking good. This one's looking good. Get it. Ooh. Yes. I'm seeing something! I'm seeing something on it. Come on, get it! Yeah! Yes! I'm getting something! I'm getting something! I got something! Ooh! Let me try to break it out with my hands now. Whoa! I got it! I think that's a beetle! I think that's a beetle. I need to dig it up! That looks exactly like a beetle! That looks so cool! Oh man, wrong side, wrong side. Looks like a beetle. It's so big! So big though. I think I can do it! I got it! I got it! Okay, let me brush it out. Oh, let me wet it instead. See, soak it out. That is a beetle. Let's dry the beetle up. See, it really is a beetle. It is a beetle. It's a little beetle. Let's hold it. Let's take out the rest to try to open it. Because I think they're soaked enough. Take out that one. This one. I think once more is there. Yep. And this one. I couldn't even see that one. Okay, which one do I want to dig first? Let me decide. Oh, the Megalodon one. Let's dig that one, guy. That guy. I'm digging it. Yeah, I'm digging it. Oopsies. I can do that. Oh no, that's even harder. Just forget it. Notice. Oh yeah, I'm better than this. Just forget something. If I can find something. Just keep digging in this same spot. Digging in this same spot and see if I find something. See if I can crack it open. As yet. Oh no, it's too hard still. Okay, let me try to break it open with my hands again. Oh, that was a big one. That's okay. I got it! I got it! I almost got it. Oh, I got something! I got something! I think that's a shark! Oh my god! Ooh. I think that's a hammerhead shark! I got a hammerhead shark! I can't believe! Oh my god! I think that's a hammerhead shark! Yay! It's a hammerhead shark! It's a hammerhead shark! I can't believe! I never had a toy hammerhead shark! Cool! Whoa! This looks so cool! 2 more to go. Let's start. I'm seeing it cracking! I think this will work with it. Come on, good. I got it! I got Pat! Get it. Ooh, I think I got something. I'm seeing something here! Whoa, that's okay. Whoa, I think I got something. Put it right here. Let me try to break it instead so it won't fall down. Oh, I got something! Like a seal! What is this? What in the world is this? Let me walk it over and see. Oh! I know what it is, but I'm not telling you. I'll tell you when I get it out. Okay, let me see if I know what it is now. It's a penguin! Cool! Ooh, I wonder what's that. Try the chisel. Chisel. Ooh, I got something. Got something. I think that's a swordfish. Is it? Or that's it? Oh no, that's a dinosaur for sure. Oh, I got it! Let me wash it out! I think that's a Parasaurolophus. Wash my hands. Out. Wipe it. Let me take it out and see what it is. It is a parachute. Something still stick up on it. Yeah, I got it. Let me wash that back away out. It is a Parasaurolophus. Let me wipe it out now. Wipe this bad boy out. Wow, that's drying. Let me wipe my hands. Let's see. It is a Parasaurolophus! Is it a skeleton? I think that's a skeleton! Cool! Okay, so we're done with all that mess. So let's look at the things we got inside. The first one we got was a bug. The second one was a hammerhead shark. The third one was a penguin. And the fourth one is the Parasaurolophus skeleton. Guys, these three of them, they glow in the dark, but you can't see it on the camera, so you will have to check it out yourself. Hey guys, it's Britain. Thanks for watching this video. And did you like my game over hoodie? I got it from Uncle Nigel, MTW, Mad Thing Apparel. You could check him out to get your game over hoodie. Okay guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to learn more about dinosaurs and animals